Watch closely, this fluffy daredevil has spotted a challenge. A crystal clear fishbowl. Seems impossible, right? But not for this cat. He circles it once, twice, calculating every angle like a true feline engineer. He places one paw in, then another. Now he's halfway in, and you can feel the suspense building. He wriggles, he twists, his tail flicks like a periscope. You're thinking, no way he's getting in there. And boom, he does it. The bowl now holds one very smug cat. You can almost hear him say, "I told you I could." Pure magic. If that made you smile, go ahead and leave a like. This little legend earned it.